If cockroaches keep appearing in your kitchen, don't ignore the problem. In this video, I'm showing you a simple and practical cockroach control method. How to prepare the bait properly, where to place it, and the mistakes you should avoid. Stay until the end because I'll also explain how to make your kitchen much less attractive to cockroaches over time. First, I take 1 packet of noodles and carefully crush them into small pieces. Noodles provide a familiar food-based texture and help create a more noticeable bait-like base for this demonstration. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda changes the texture and composition of the mixture, helping the ingredients combine into a more uniform mixture. Next comes 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent. This is a household chemical, so it must never be treated as food or placed where children, pets, or food can come into contact with it. I am including it only as part of the demonstration. Now I add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar provides sweetness and makes the mixture more food-like, which is why it is included in this demonstration. After that, I add toothpaste. The toothpaste changes the texture and consistency of the mixture and helps give it a thicker, more cohesive form. Finally, I add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. The chili sauce adds moisture, color, and a strong food-like aroma to the mixture, helping all the ingredients combine more easily. Now I mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture reaches a consistent texture. Now place this mixture in the corners, cracks, and hidden areas of your home where cockroaches are most active. This powerful homemade cockroach control mixture combines several commonly used household ingredients that may help reduce cockroach activity. With consistent use, it can be a highly effective and budget-friendly option for managing cockroaches around the house. Instead of repeatedly spending money on expensive pest control products, you can prepare this affordable mixture at home and use it in problem areas. For better results, keep your kitchen clean, remove food sources, and block common entry points. Use it consistently as part of your overall cockroach control routine.